What's up, sub loves and subby bunches of oats? It's your girl Nayna here, back with another video. So today's video will be about how I moisturize and seal my braids, or just protective styles, period. So it's important to make sure you keep your moisture locked into your hair for when you have braids or just hair in general. So I am going to be showing you how I moisturize and seal my hair with these braids to keep them nice and juicy and popping. And if you haven't checked out my video, I had a whole video about how I clean my braids and my protective styles and whatnot. So make sure you all definitely go check out that video. And let's get started, y'all. So guys, this is what I use to moisturize my hair. So this has some leave-in conditioner, some oils, and water. And because I'm not out of it quite yet, when I do run out of it, I will make a separate video for what I actually put in here. But yes, for moisturizing and sealing your hair, you should either use your favorite leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. So I just used a leave-in conditioner that I had got from Walmart. And then, of course, you have to use your oils to not only seal your hair, but also to put, on your scalp. But this is not actually the oil I'll be sealing with. The oil I will be sealing with is this oil right here from Natural. And if you checked out my how to clean your braids video, which will be in my description box below, you will see that I use the products from that line to clean my hair and to make sure that my scalp was nice and taken care of. So basically, moisturizing and sealing your hair is not that hard at all. What you're going to do is take your spray bottle, make sure that it's actually open, kind of spray, test it. And what I like to do is actually just split my braids in half like this, so this much on each side. And then what you're going to do is just start to spray. Make sure you get all of this, all that goodness on your braids. Now, your floor might get wet, because sometimes my floor gets wet, to be honest, but it's all worth it. So what you're going to do is, once you do that, spray it. You're going to just run your fingers through. If you feel like it needs more, let it have some more. Right up there. And also, don't neglect the top part of your hair, because that also needs moisture too. So we're just going to spray this top part, and then we're going to spray this. Oh, sound like I'm running out, y'all. Oh, let's see if we can last it through the video. Alright, so let's just do it like this. Make sure you get the underneath part of your hair, because this part also needs moisture too. So let's just do it like this. Oh, y'all. Oh. I think, oh, y'all. I think she out. Alright, well, I basically got all of my head. But normally, if I had some more, I spray this side, and also spray this middle part right here in the back. So that way I can make sure all that moisture is nice and locked in. So, what we're going to do is, if you have to resplit your hair, make sure it's even from the front and the back. It doesn't make a huge difference, but for me, I like to do it that way. So we are going to take some of the oil and just do that. And if you don't have this oil, this isn't essential. This is just what I use. But you can use any of your oil mixture, to be honest. And then we're just going to coat the hair. Make sure you don't forget the top part. Going to coat the hair. And since I actually ran out of my mixture, then I can actually make that video for you all today. So, yeah. So, just make sure you get that part. Make sure you get all of this to make sure that you're not neglecting any strand or anything like that. So, take some more oil. And we're going to apply it to this side of our hair. And if you feel like you ever need more oil, just apply more, because I can tell I didn't get a lot of oil this time. Oh, and I love this natural line because products are expensive, but you're guaranteed all natural products, all natural ingredients, and that's one thing I really respect. And it's a black-owned company, so we always have to support our black-owned companies. All right. Make sure, never forget this part, the back section, because some people will neglect that back section, so just do it like that. Oh, all right. And again, I apologize if I'm not looking straight into the camera. My mirror is behind me, so you know. We going to get that together. So now what you're going to do is take your oil mixture, and I will have a video about which oils I use. And you don't have to use the same oils that I do, because some people, you know, some oils may work for some but not for others. So all we're going to do is just take our oil mixture and just run it along our scalp however you please. Just make sure you just get all of it. Oh, this is the one with peppermint. I have 2 oil bottles. One has peppermint, one doesn't. So this is the one with peppermint. So I know which one to fill. After this, oh, oil dripping on top of my head. Comment down below if that happens to you, because sometimes I see people on YouTube, they oil their scalp or oil doesn't drip on their head. I'm like, please show me the way. That's not reality for me, actually. But you know, it is what it is. So just make sure you get your scalp nice and good. Go over it a few times. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, you have no idea. Lord Jesus, hunty. And I'm out. Alright, so now what you're going to do is just give yourself a nice little scalp massage. Just to make sure all the oils are nice and worked in. Like that. Yeah, this was amazing. Oh, and this is also going to help with hair growth when you massage your scalp. But just in general, like when you moisturize and seal your hair, it's good because you want that moisture in your hair, especially because if your hair is in braids, you're not always able to moisturize your hair as if your hair was out. So this is just a nice little moisture routine, and I do this every other day. I don't really have a set days on where I do it, but I will do it every other day. And oiling my scalp, I also do it every other day. So every time I moisturize and seal my hair, I also oil my scalp no matter what. But then sometimes if I don't moisturize and seal my hair, but I feel like my scalp needs some oil, then I will do that. So it just all depends on what you want to do. And that remaining oil that you massage from your scalp, just run it through your hair with your fingers like that. All right. And we are done. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you have made it to the end, you might as well subscribe. So make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe, and let me know what you all want to see. I do have hair videos planned on coming up, but also just let me know what you all want to, you know, just see from me. So I love you all. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. You all have a blessed day. And all my sub loves, y'all know I love you. And all my old heads, y'all my subby OGs. So I appreciate y'all. Bye, guys.